Okay, today our chapter is determinations of the locations and place on a earth surface. Before calculating any place's time and date and the longitude or latitude, you have to remember some important point. Okay, so number 1 hour for every 15 degree longitudes. Okay, that means 1 hour equal to 15 degree longitude. Okay, 4 minute equals to 1 degree longitude. 4 second equals to 1 minute. Okay, and if number 4 point, if the local time of a place goes ahead of Greenwich time, then the place will have east longitude, and if the local time of a place lags behind the Greenwich time, the place will have west longitude. That means you have to always remember that this is west and east, and Greenwich is always 0 degree. If the time is ahead of the Greenwich, then it will be added and it will be east side and additions, and if the time lags behind the Greenwich, then it will be subtracted, that means minus. Okay, and next point you have to remember, that is AM and PM, anti-meridian and post-meridian. What is that? Anti-meridian means it is indicates the time from the midnight to before midday, and PM mane post-meridians, what is that? It indicates the time from midday to before midnight. Okay, acha, next for time calculations of any antipodal place of a given, the antipode of the given place is to be found first by subtracting the longitude of the given place from 180 degree. Okay, here I given you examples. The antipode of Kolkata is 88 degree 24 minute east. That is Kolkata longitude. To be found, then it has to be subtracted from 180 degree. You have to find the antipodal of Kolkata. Then you first the Kolkata longitude from 180 degree, that is 91 degree 36 minute west. Okay, west, that is totally antipode, mean eastern hemisphere and the western hemisphere. Acha, here always you have to remember the time difference of a place and its antipode is always 12 hour for 180 degree longitude. Therefore 12 hour is either to be added or subtracted, that is depending on the locations of the antipode, that is east or west. If we located in the east hemisphere, that means you have to added the time, and if you are in the western hemisphere, that time you have to minus or the subtracted the time. Okay, next point you have to remember, that is if any year is mentioned, you should first confirm it is leap year or not. How you will confirm then it is a leap year or not? Always if it is non-centurial year, then you divide it the 4 as it and if it is the centurial year, you have to divide it by 400. Like I giving you example, if 2002 is not a leap year and not a non-centurial year, so you have to divide it by 4. If 2000 is a centurial year, so you have to divide it by 400. And you always remember in the leap year in February month, it has 29 days. Okay, these are the main point you have to remember before calculating the time of a place or the date of a place or the longitude of a place. Okay.